Hi there, it's Julie Davison from juliedavison.com. I have another fun video today for you. I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple note card using the Bokeh Dots and Dandelion Wishes stamp set. And then I'm going to show you how to make a note card holder that will fit 4 note cards and envelopes that you can make and use to give as a gift. Let's get started. I'm using 2 stamp sets from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. The Bokeh Dots is retiring on June 2nd, 2020. So it's only available for 2 more weeks. If you want it, make sure to order early. And you can order Stampin' Up! Products on my online store at juliedavison.com/shop. There is a link in the description of this video. I'll be using this for the background and then adding the Dandelion Wishes on top with basic gray. The colors I'm using are Petal Pink and then the basic gray for the outline image. And I'm using the note cards and envelopes. These are 3.5 by 5 inch note cards, and envelopes come in the same package. So you can get a package of 20 cards and 20 envelopes for not that much. It's really great for new stampers or busy stampers to make quick and easy cards. So let me move these out of the way. We're going to start with our Bokeh Dots background, and there are 2 different image stamps here. The one that I'm using, forgot what I put on the block now, is this one with the dots. And this is one of our distinctive stamps, a photorealistic kind of a imaging. And I'm going to stamp this right in the center. Look at that, so pretty. I'm just going to go ahead and stamp all of them. Really quick and easy to do simple note cards like this. And usually when I'm doing assembly line stamping, I try to do all of the same pieces at the same time. So I'm going to stamp all the backgrounds first, and then I'm going to stamp all of the dandelions, and then all the words, and then, of course, we need to stamp a little bit on the envelope as well. Okay, so speaking of the envelope, I'm just going to go ahead and keep this Petal Pink out. These are the little note card envelopes, and so I'm just going to stamp some of the dandelion seeds or little puffs that are floating away in the corner of the envelopes. The envelopes are all ready to go. Now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to use the basic gray to add the images. So this is going to go on the left side of the card. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the words say, "Sending well wishes your way." And this could work for, I think, so many different occasions. Sending well wishes on your birthday, sending well wishes if someone is not well, hoping you feel better, hoping you have a great day. And just like that, I have finished stamping all of the note cards. So it's time to make a holder. Oops, folded that one kind of funny. So I've got 4 note cards and 4 envelopes. Let's go ahead and make our holder. I'm using a piece of cardstock that's Sahara sand. It's 8.5 inches by 7 3/4 inches. So it's a little bit shorter than a regular sheet of cardstock. And I've already made the score lines. I'm scoring in half at 4 1/4. So this is like we normally would score for a card. And then I'm also scoring at 2 1/4 the other direction. And this is the little flap that's going to keep the note cards in place. Now, if you try to fold this up into a folder, it's a little bit bulky. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut from the center point here down at an angle. It doesn't have to be exact. We're just looking to take away some of this bulk so that when you fold the folder, you don't have all this folded cardstock right in the middle. So that just reduces the bulk a little bit. Now I added some holes for the ribbon using the detailed trio punch, and I'm going to stick my folder in and push down, and it has punched a hole in both sides. I already did the ribbon on this one, and I actually don't have any more of this beautiful ribbon, so I can't show you how to put the ribbon in. Let me just untie it so you can see. So what I did is I threaded the ribbon through the hole and then around the back of the folder and through the other hole. And then inside, I didn't use any adhesive to close the flaps. They just kind of hold the cards from coming out this way. So I've got 2 cards and 2 envelopes on each side. And then I folded these together and tied the ribbon. This is the Petal Pink striped organdy ribbon. And this is from the annual catalog. It's also retiring, I think. So make sure that you check out the last chance list and get all your favorites before they're gone. I added a little embellishment here using the same stamp set. I used the other image and then the Sending Well Wishes Your Way stamp again on the front. So there you go. Really simple note cards and envelopes, and then a really cute little note holder to gift them all in. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks so much for watching. Happy stamping!